Next question says, Shalom Kol Rav, can we remove the edges of the bread to place them in the coffee during Shabbos? Thank you very much, Rabbi.
Can you say again? Can you do what?
Remove the edges of the bread and place them in the coffee during Shabbos.
Okay, so here's the thing. So let me explain two separate things. So one thing is kabbalistically, if you eat the end of the bread, whatever end of the bread, you're going to forget your Torah. So some people, they do like this with a knife and remove the tiniest portion, whatever portion is like half of the crumb. That's basically it is enough that you don't eat the side of the bread. Right, so like halachically there is no problem, but kabbalistically, okay. So I mean, we still do that. If sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't remember. Okay, but the very tip of the bread, right? But the problem is, for example, if we talk like in general crumbs, right? You have bread crumbs and you don't waste it. You want to put it in a coffee. If it's in the matter of the meal, there is no problem, because but if it's like if it's during the bread meal, there is no problem. But if there is no bread meal, that could be a problem. So the question, if you need to say the blessing chamotzi actually on these breadcrumbs. So as we said, on any amount of food, there is no minimal amount of food on which you have to say the blessing. So it's not such an easy thing. Of course, some people say if depends on the coffee, it's very hot, so that maybe the bread was cooking in there. Maybe after it was placed there, you no longer see it. Maybe it's dissolved. So, it's a little complicated. But if it's during the meal, there is no problem whatsoever. Let's put it this way, and it's not disrespect to the bread. But if somebody cooked the breadcrumbs, so that's the less than kizais, and you cannot identify the bread, so they've been nullified. It's no longer bread. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.